All right, you guys, we're gonna test SolarGard's windshield protection film for the second time, this time on an actual windshield. Totally two different types of glass. Last time we did it on this bug back window, we just had it replaced. Back windows are tempered, windshields are laminated glass. So totally different type of glass, not really a fair comparison. But with that said, it did withstand 2 strikes from the center punch. So this right here is a brand new window that I bought just for this video. And this is a 2002 Chevy Trailblazer front windshield. Just so happened to be the least expensive windshield. I think we paid $100 for it, maybe 150. But it's gonna be the perfect window to test this out. So now that I got the stickers removed, what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and scrub pad this. Obviously, we're not worried about contaminants for the purpose of testing the film. But just out of good habit, I'm gonna scrub pad it. And as I'm sure many of you guys know, when laminated glass breaks, it doesn't fall apart into a bunch of little pieces. When tempered glass breaks, it does break into a lot of little pieces and is a mess to clean up. So even if this does break, it's not going to shatter into a bunch of little pieces. All right, now my next step is to just get a measurement. 60. Over here, I'm gonna pull this piece of film to 60.
If you talking, it's to me nice. Play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights. Better get right, I'm champion. The game is in trouble. I've been in my depth for the piece of the puzzle. I got it for real. Still keep me going. I wake up and hustle. You won't see me buckle. I've been in the field. Man of the town.
Okay, here's the liner. Or the cap sheet, excuse me. Just the top corner. Drop the bottom corner. There you go. No. All the way up. I'll take that. All right, now I'm gonna do the final spray here. Don't worry about the bottom corner, just the top corner. Okay, now let me release a little bit of the static. Great job. Now I'll get the liner. And I'm gonna pull this towards you. And let's work this down. Oh gosh, that releases so nicely. So a little bit of moisture on top of this. Perfect. I don't need a lot. Good job. Okay, let's lay this down on the windshield. And boom.
Going, I wake up and hustle. You won't see me buckle. I've been in the field. Man of the town, you've been in your fields. I'm adjusting this crown. Call me your majesty. Either that or your tragedy. We shutting everything down. I've been hot like somebody put a candle on them. Off top, I don't really stand opponents. This mine, the moment is run out and start a bunch of pandemonium. More game, I got some. The skill is bar one. Y'all done. The game in the coffin. Referee screen recipe. So think twice if you're next to me. It's West. This ain't no regular thing. I came for the ring, you know what I mean. I shoot my shot and it's clean. This is my city, yeah, this is my team. If you talking, it's hard to me nice. I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights. Better get right, I'm champion. It's our repetition, I'm stacking these trophies. I'm good with addition, I spit like a pastor. I give you the vision. Up early morning, enough for the sleeping. My life is a dream, but you wishing you lived it. Haters get livid, my pocket's Pacific. That's deep if you get it. So therapeutic, I sleep on the critics. Don't feel like competing, I'm hearing these crickets. Whoa, let me switch the flow, a new bounce. Coming to the den with a lion, I'm gon' pounce. Know I've been a king for a while. Got a ring and a crown, that's the bling with the blow. What the team is about, champions. You can tell by the ambience of this sound. Referee screen, rest in peace. And think twice if you never see me, just no doubt. This ain't no regular thing. I came for the ring, you know what I mean. If you talking, it's hard to me nice. I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights. Better get right. This ain't no regular thing. I came for the ring, you know what I mean. I shoot my shot and it's clean. This is my city, yeah, this is my team. If you talking, it's hard to me nice. I play Dimming the lights, better get right, champion.
Now, for the moment we've all been waiting for. Center punch from Harbor Freight. SolarGard windshield protection film. Here we go. Woo! And we will be pulling the film back just to see how much damage it actually damaged to the glass. Okay, let's try it again. All right. We do one more on this side?
Yeah.
Just to make sure that that's not the stronger side. All right, now let's peel it back. But before I do that, let's circle where the strikes were.
Wait, is this not still? Come on.
Okay, let's watch the film, or watch the strike mark. A tiny, oh my god, a tiny little spot. I mean, I don't think once this was outside on the windshield you'd ever notice. And it looks like a speck of dust. Yep, they all look like, they almost look like, oh wait, that's right. They might just be glue smudges. Oh my god, yeah, it's just glue actually. Okay, can you see it?
Hold on. It's like so faint.
So faint you can't see it.
Oh.
It's just glue. So, definitely safe to say that this works. And then also, while we're at it, look at that clarity. Or I should say, look at the color, the lack of color. Very, very clear, no yellowing out of the box. Obviously, it's not gonna last forever. This has an 18-month or 12,000 mile warranty, whichever comes first. 18-month, 12,000 mile warranty, whichever comes first. I still got it on my Corvette outside and it looks absolutely perfect. So we're continuing to see how long it lasts on the Corvette. And as you guys know, my car sits outside most of the time, just baking in the sun.